I am currently in my first year as a blueberry farmer, 14 bushes. So far, so good. However, I'm concerned about imported ants and what to use in case of soil infestation. Can I eat my blueberries if I treated the soil around it for ants? This is Rusty in Horn Lake, Mississippi. So, can I eat my blueberries if I treated the soil around it for ants? So it would depend on what you're treating the soil with.
Yes.
Right.
Okay? Now, we do know if you're going to use an ant bait, we actually have a label here, right? And this label says that you cannot use this bait around crops that you're going to eat.
Right.
Right. So we know that, you know, some of your baits are going to be out, again, depending on the active ingredient and the label.
That's
Yes.
right.
Right? We're going to look at the label to make sure, you know, whether we can eat this or not.
That's right.
But he is asking about, treating the soil.
Well, you can always just disturb them, and the more you disturb them, they don't want to live there. You're just going to be spreading them all over the place. But if you
Right.
just keep up with it, that might control a lot of them. But
I think it would, because especially if you're concerned about, applying something on the soil surface or in the soil itself
Yes.
to control these imported ants.
well, he's got 14 plants. Can he mow around that area, and then when they move out of that area, then he could treat that area
Okay.
that they've
Yes.
moved
It's an
out
option.
of.
Okay.
But
Yeah, you're right.
gotta
Yeah,
work.
because they're going to be foraged and they're going to bring that back to the queen. And
Right.
Right. Okay. I can
And
see
that's the
that.
goal, is to get the queen. That's the key.
Right.
To get her.
Okay. All right, Rusty. So I think that's a good idea for you. It's a good option for you. And good luck to you as a blueberry farmer. And don't worry, we will put this label back on the container. All right? But always read and follow the label. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.